Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new project and setting the units so dimensions stay accurate. Choose meters or feet depending on your region. Once done, import a photo or PDF as a background to trace. This speeds layout and keeps proportions correct. Make sure to name and save the file, and enable autosave at 5-10-minute intervals. Then set the grid and snap options so your first wall lines align precisely. This first setup prevents rework later. Now draw the structural layout. Use the wall tool to click and drag segments and enter wall thickness and height to match construction specs. While drawing, enable snap to grid and angle constraints like 90 degrees and 45 degrees so junctions are clean. Once walls are in place, close polygons to form rooms, then label each space and assign floor materials for area and cost estimates. Also add dimension lines and verify measurements. Consistent labeling and finish by placing doors, windows, and fixtures from the object library, aligning each to wall nodes so swing arcs and clearances remain correct. Once complete, run a final measurement check, then export the plan to PDF or DWG at the correct scale for printing or client review. If elements misalign, undo recent steps, toggle snap to grid, or edit node coordinates numerically to restore precision. That single fix often resolves spacing and overlap issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.